Hello students, now we are going to start the new lesson, that is The Old Man and the Sea book review. It is a book review, the lesson The Old Man and the Sea. But as usual, before going to turn towards the actual lesson, we must have to go through the pre-reading activity that is given here in the form of warming up questions. Okay, first question, pair up with your partner and answer the following questions. Pair up with your partner and answer the following questions. First question here, which animal would you relate yourself to and why? Here uh, two questions are given in a one question here, that is which animal would you relate yourself as well as why. You have to give a reason also. Here according to me, cat. I would relate myself as a cat because like a cat I am also lazy. Like a cat I am also lazy. You also have to give a reason. Okay, second, do you have a hero or a role model to look up to? Who is he or she? Again two questions are here asked. Do you have a hero or a role model to look up to? Who is he or she? Yes, I have a hero or a role model, and my role model is my father. Who is he? My father is my role model. Okay, third, do you have a passion you would fight for and why? Again two questions are asked here. Do you have a passion you would fight for and why? Yes, my passion is planting trees. Because of water shortages, many problems we have to face. So what is my passion here? My passion is planting trees. What is meant by a review? According to you, what is meant by review? A review is what review is a critical evaluation of a book or a film or a play, etc. A review is a critical evaluation of a book, critical evaluation of a film or a play. Okay, next one, have you ever read any book review? If yes, which one? If no, make it a point to read one. Yes, I have read a book review. It was Harry Potter book. I read it in a newspaper. Okay, second question, make a list of famous novels of Ernest Hemingway. Two are given to you. Here we have to make a list of famous novels of Ernest Hemingway. Okay, Ernest Hemingway's novels. Two examples are given here. That is Farewell of to Arms, For Whom the Bell Tolls. Here you also have to find out the novels of Ernest Hemingway with the help of internet. According to me, I have searched some. The Sun Also Rises. Here third one, The Sun Also Rises. Fourth one here, The Garden of the Eden. The Garden of Eden. Fifth, Islands in the Stream. Islands in the Stream. Sixth one, To Have and Have Not. To Have and Have Not. And last one here, the Torrents of Spring. The Torrents of Spring. Okay, these are. Now we are going to turn towards the next question. Here third question it is, Ernest Miller Hemingway was a famous American novelist, short story writer and journalist. Make a list of other famous American novelists. Complete the wave filling the boxes with the names of famous American novelists. Here we have to write in the wave, that is famous American novelist. Okay, here wave chart is given here, and one of the example is given here, that is Ernest Hemingway. Now other boxes web charts we have to fill up. According to me, Mark Twain, famous American novelist. Okay, Mark Twain, then Henry James, J.D. Salinger, as well as Harper Lee. Harper Lee. Again, I am going to repeating that. Going to repeat that. Mark Twain, first one. Ernest Hemingway, that is given. Henry James, J.D. Salinger, and last one here, Harper Lee. Okay, these are famous American novelists. Now we are going to turn towards the actual lesson, The Old Man and the Sea book review. Okay, an old and experienced Cuban fisherman has a run of terrible bad luck and is unable to catch any fish for 84 days. Here, an old as well as unexperienced Cuban fisherman. Cuban means what? A person belong to Cuba. A person belong to Cuba, that is called here Cuban fisherman. An old as well as experienced Cuban fisherman has a run of terrible bad luck A run of terrible bad luck means what? A period of time when bad things happen. A period of time when bad things happen, that is called here terrible bad luck. And he is unable to catch any fish for 84 days. Here, one of the fishermen who was unlucky. Why he was called unlucky? As that 84 days had gone, but he was unable to catch any a single fish. A single fish. He hadn't caught any single fish, so he was called bad luck, or he was unlucky one. He was called here unlucky. Actually, he was experienced one. He was experienced, but old person, old fisherman. He has lot of experience regarding fishing, but instead of experience, he hasn't caught a single fish for 84 days. He is young and devoted apprentice. Apprentice means what? Here it is also given. What is meant by apprentice? A person who works for another in order to learn a trade. A helper it is. In short, we call it helper person, or a person who works for another in order to learn to trade. That is called here apprentice. Okay. His young and devoted apprentice Manolin. What is the name of his apprentice? Manolin. Who helps him? Who helps that old fisherman? Who helps that old fisherman here? Manolin. Manolin was a person who helps that old fisherman, and he has been forced by his parents to start working with another fisherman. Actually, his parents forced him. Manolin's parents forced him to work with another fisherman, as we have seen that the old fisherman who hasn't got a single fish nearly about for 84 days. 84 days had gone, but a single fish he hadn't caught, and so Manoli's father or Manoli's parents, he forced him to start working with another fisherman. The old man resolves to sail out further than all other fishermen and attempt to catch a really big fish. Actually, the old man, he want to catch a big fish. Actually, he want to catch it. He had made several attempts for that. He had made various efforts he had taken for that, and for what? To catch the really big fish. On the 85th day, he succeeds in hooking a marlin with his bait, but the marlin is too strong for him and starts pulling the boat. On the 85th day, when actually 84 days has gone, and on the 85th day, he succeeds in hooking a marlin with his bait, but the marlin is too strong for. What do you mean by marlin here? Marlin is a large saltwater fish with an elongated body and a spear-like snout. That is called here marlin. A kind of fish here, a kind of fish. On the 85th day, he succeeds in hooking a marlin with his bait, but the marlin is too strong for him. Actually, on the 85th day, he had caught marlin, but he was a really huge one. He was really a strong fish, it was, and starts pulling the boat. Actually, the fish started to pull the boat. The Old Man and the Sea is the story of the old man's struggle. Here we are going to see the book review, and the Old Man and the Sea is the story of the old man's struggle with the marlin, how he struggled, and his later battle against shark. The Old Man and the Sea is the story of an old person, old fisherman of Cuba, and his struggle with marlin and his battle against shark. Okay, it was all about the Old Man and the Sea. Now, social and historical context. It's social as well as historical context. Okay, Hemingway's novel is based on real events, and it also draws heavily on his own life. Actually, Ernest Hemingway's novel is based on real events. Whatever actually happened, he included it through his writing way. Okay, so Hemingway's novels are based on real events, and it also draws heavily on his own life. Actually, Hemingway always wrote about his own life. He had experience of fishing in the Cuban waters, and like the old man, he was also a fan of baseball. Also, old man and Hemingway, somehow they both means who are Hemingway as well as the old fisherman of Cuba. They both have similarities here. Actually, Hemingway had experience of fishing in the Cuban waters, and like the old man, he was also a fan of baseball. As we have seen that old man was a fan of baseball, and like him, Hemingway was also a fan of baseball. He worked for the Red Cross during the First World War and was injured by shrapnel when he was in Italy. He was Hemingway. Hemingway worked for a Red Cross during the First World War. Here, he worked for what? A Red Cross during the First World War. Okay, and at the same time, what happened? He was injured by shrapnel. Shrapnel means what here? It is also given here shrapnel, small pieces of metal that fly during an explosion of a bomb or weapon to hurt people. It means it is a fragment of a bomb or another object thrown out by an explosion. That is called here shrapnel. He worked for the Red Cross during the First World War, and at the same time he was injured by that shrapnel when he was in Italy. At the same time he was in Italy. Who? Hemingway. Hemingway always talks about the need to struggle against defeat or death and how determination and endurance can help one to win in this struggle. Hemingway always talks about need to struggle. He has given the importance of struggling against what? Against defeat, against death. How to struggle against defeat, how to struggle against death. He has given in if we have determination, if we have strong determination, if we have endurance. Endurance means what? Capacity to, it means in short patience. If we have patience, if we have endurance, if we have determination, definitely we can achieve success. Definitely we can struggle against defeat or death according to Hemingway. Here it means that what should we have to need? Endurance and determination. Determination as well as endurance means what? Patience here can help one win in this struggle. We can win struggle, but when if we have strong determination, if we have patience, definitely we can struggle against defeat as well as death. Okay, the old man is at the end of the novel very near death, but we know that the story of his suffering and loss will live in the memories of the people of his village. Actually, in this story, we have seen that the old man is at the end of novel, at the same time very near death. At the end of the novel, the old fisherman here, he was near to death, but we know that the story of his suffering and loss will live on the memories of the people of his village. But the story of this old person, old fisherman, it will be definitely or ultimately what we say his suffering and loss will live on the memories of the people of his village. Ultimately, his story becomes one of triumph because the tales of his life will live on even after his death. Ultimately, actually, he had made various struggles, he had made various efforts, he had made struggle against defeat or struggle against death. So, ultimately, his story becomes one of triumph because the tales or story of his life will live on even after his death, as he had struggled courageously with strong determination and with patience. The novel was published in 1952. Actually, The Old Man and the Sea is the novel published in 1952. It is the novel which is published in 1952 when people were trying to recover from the mass destruction wrought by the two world wars. And this tale of endurance and ultimate triumph immediately struck a chord with the readers. Actually, when it was published 1952, at the same time, people were trying to recover from the mass destruction wrought by means caused by or brought by. Wrought by means what? Here brought about or caused by the two world wars. Now the people were trying to recover from the two world wars, and this tale or the story of endurance and ultimate triumph immediately struck a chord with the readers. Struck a chord with the readers means what? Here triggers a feeling of or memory. Actually, the story was published or the novel was published in 1952 at the same time when people were trying to recover from the mass destructions caused by the two world wars, as well as the story of endurance, story of patience and ultimate triumph immediately triggers a feeling of or memory of readers. Okay, now writing style of Hemingway. Hemingway's language is simple and pithy. What is meant by pithy here? Pithy language he had used. Pithy means what here? Brief, full of vigor. Brief as well as full of vigor. Okay, that is called here pithy. He had used a simple language here. In this novel, he has used simple language as well as a language full of vigor, brief language he has used. He mostly writes in short and straightforward sentences, and practices an extreme economy in his use of words. Mostly what happened, he wrote short as well as straightforward sentences. How he had used the language is simple one, language is pithy one, brief language he has used full of figure, as well as mostly he had wrote short sentences as well as straightforward sentences, and practices an extreme economy in his use of words. The simplicity is deceptive, and a reader can read this work again and again and find new layers of meaning every time. Here, this simplicity means what? He has used simple language here, pithy language here. It is called a simplicity here. Simplicity is deceptive. Deceptive means what? Unclear here, and a reader can read his work again and again. So it was really interesting novel, and a reader trying to read, or a reader can read his work, he means Hemingway's work he again and again and find new layers of meaning every time. Every time readers found the new meanings in his novel. So reader can read his work again and again for finding out new layers of meaning every time. Okay. Now next point, my thoughts. My thoughts. Here it is. I first read this novel years ago when I did not understand it at all and was left unimpressed. Here, according to the narrator, when he had read this novel at first time, years ago, smoothly, when I did not understand it at all. Actually, we have seen that just now, the words has a different meaning in his novels. So, a reader can read his work again and again. Why? Because they can't get a proper meaning. So here the narrator also, he had read this novel years ago first time when he didn't get, or when he didn't understand it at all, and he was left unimpressed. He didn't like it as he didn't get a proper meaning. In spite of this, a vivid image remained with me: an old man holding on to his fishing line with the last of his strength. Recently I read this. Actually, in spite of that, he that was the main thing remained with him, that an old person holding on to his fishing line with the last of his strength. For the actually, one of the old person is there, he was trying to catch the fish with the last of his strength. But recently what happened, I read this book again and I was extremely moved. Recently means what? Again, just now I have read this book again and I was extremely moved. Now the second time I read the novel, same novel, at the same time I extremely moved. At the same time I was become very much happy. The formidable strength of the old man's character, the quiet devotion of the emphatic Manolin, and the leadership between the two are heartwarming. Formidable. What is meant by formidable here? Formidable means what? Causing fear. Causing fear. Awesome or inspiring. The inspiring strength of the old person, the awesome strength of the old man's character, the quiet devotion of the emphatic Manolin. Empathic means what here? Showing ability to understand the feeling of another. That is called here empathic. Empathic means what here? Showing an ability to understand the feeling of others. That is called here empathic. Who is called here empathetic Manolin, who was the helper to him, who helps him in his work. Here, the awesome strength of the old person's or old man's character, the quiet devotion of an that empathetic Manolin, and the relationship between the two are heartwarming. The relationship between Manolin as well as the old man or old fisherman was really heartwarming. Hemingway's descriptions of the sea and the creatures of the water are beautiful. Also, in this novel, he had mentioned regarding the description of sea as well as creatures of the water, and it was beautifully described by him in this novel. The marlin fights for its life desperately, and it's hard to know whether our sympathies should lie with the old man or with the marlin. Actually, marlin as well as old person, they try to try to win, try to conquer both the marlin. Actually, the marlin fights for its life desperately, as well as it's hard to know whether our sympathies should lie with the old person or with the marlin. Means what? Both struggle for life. Both means marlin as well as old person. But as the novel progresses, the old man and the marlin are inseparably, means what? Individually linked, because both stand for the same ideals. Both stand for same ideals means what? Both wants to live. both wants to struggle for winning. Both means old person as well as Manolin, and that is a noble struggle against destruction. Destruction is what? Death. Means what? Finally, the Marine fights for its life desperately, and it's hard to know whether our sympathies should lie with the old man or with the Marine. But when the novel progresses before the old person as well as the Marine are inseparably or indivisible linked, because both stand for the same ideals, both means Marine as well as old person, old fisherman, that is a noble struggle against the destruction, that is a noble struggle against the death. Okay, it was all about the lesson. Now in this way we have completed our whole syllabus. 4.6 lesson is also given, but the gift of Majai, but it is cancelled here. It is cancelled, as we have seen that 25% syllabus is reduced. So the last lesson is completely reduced from your syllabus. So in this way we have completed our syllabus. Okay, if you have any problem, please tell me. Okay, please call me. Now in this way we have seen this lesson, we have discussed this lesson. Okay, thank you.